pleasure to meet with you today. Thank you very much for such kind of important initiative, the legal framework, and all appropriate actors in this process. They are trying to tackle this issue, with this new challenge in an appropriate way.
The national political leaders want to. The key for us is that this is a national process. It has to be led by national leaders, by the people of the country. The UN's role is a support role. We will play a role to support the national actors towards addressing this crisis.
Taking into account the legal basement. So this is the high priority for all actors in our country.